Winter is almost here. Our skin gets dry and rough, and we need extra care for our skin. So why use chemicals when all the natural ingredients can be easily used for our skincare, which is more harmless and safer for winter? So we came up with 5 DIY toners for dry skin that you can easily prepare in your home with easy to find ingredients. These toners will help your dry skin to maintain the skin's pH balance, soak excess sebum, replenish moisture, and exfoliate your flaky skin. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Rice water has been used for centuries by women to take care of their skin. It works great as an anti-aging and brightening ingredient for your skin. So let's go through the required ingredients. This easy to prepare DIY toner only needs 1/4 a cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of rose water, and a spray bottle to store. Procedure and application. To prepare this DIY toner, soak the rice in water for 5 to 6 hours and then strain it. Then just mix the rose water and store. Spray the toner on a cotton pad and apply it to your face. Let's check out the benefits of these ingredients. Rice water has multiple benefits for skin. It tightens the skin by boosting the collagen production, so it works like an anti-aging ingredient as well. It helps to unclog your pores and shrink them while tightening your skin. Rose water helps to hydrate your dry skin in the winter. If you have oily skin, our next favorite DIY toner might be a great option for you, as it will create perfect skin moisture and balance out oil production. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this toner, you will need 1/4 a cup of cucumber juice, 5 to 6 drops of frankincense essential oil, 5 to 6 drops of tea tree essential oil, and a spray bottle for storing. Procedure and application. At first, make your cucumber juice. You can blend the cucumber and then strain it. Mix all the ingredients together and store it in a spray bottle. Spray it on a cotton pad and apply it on your face. So let's go through the benefits of this hair mask. Cucumber provides your skin hydrate deeply, preventing premature aging, soothing skin, and fighting acne. Frankincense essential oil is a powerful astringent that minimizes pores, fights wrinkles, and eliminates blemishes. Tea tree essential oil is an antimicrobial that kills bacteria, reduces inflammation, and helps fight acne. Tone your skin with the goodness of green tea toner while removing toxins and impurities from your skin. Now let's check out the required ingredients for this toner. To prepare, you will need 2 cups of brewed green tea, 10 drops of argan oil, and a spray bottle to store. Procedure and application. Mix both ingredients well and store in a spray bottle. So let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. Green tea has enormous beauty benefits. It has properties that manages collagen production and fights bacteria. Argan oil is a perfect moisturizer for winter skin. It helps skin to be hydrated for a long time. Our next favorite DIY toner is the apple cider vinegar toner that will tighten your skin and protect it from harmful environmental elements. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this toner, you will need 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Procedure and application. Just mix both of the ingredients and apply using cotton pads all over your face. Benefits. Apple cider vinegar soothes and exfoliates your winter skin. It helps to rebalance the natural pH levels. Lavender essential oil helps to nourish and soothe your dry skin. It also prevents infection. Dry skin needs proper care during winter, as skin gets overly dry, and the almond toner is a great option for you. So let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this toner, you will need a half cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of distilled water, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of rose water, and 10 drops of vitamin E, and a spray bottle to store. Let's go through the required ingredients first. Mix all ingredients well and apply the toner on your face using cotton pads. Shake well before use. Benefits of these ingredients. Almond milk helps to balance your skin's needs. It helps to keep your skin youthful and glowing. Olive oil is a great moisturizer, especially for dry skin. It consistently provides durable protection against aggressive weather and moisture loss. And rose water helps to hydrate your dry skin in winter. Vitamin E acts as a super powerful hydration and antioxidant range to make sure you're adding this as part of a skin nutrient. So those were our top 5 toners for winter. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.